In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arcane Lineage on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access Arcane Lineage and start playing. This is going to work for any platform. I'm recording this process on my PC, but you can follow along on mobile or even console. All that you have to do is look for the experience. So using the search function, look for Arcane Lineage. When you find the experience, all that you have to do is go ahead and join. You will load in immediately and you will get instructions on how to play. The game doesn't do a lot of hand-holding, so you will load in and you are off on your own. You can click this option at the top left corner of the screen to see the main buttons. And as you can see, you can dash with Q, you can meditate with M. If you go over to any of these empty squares on the ground, you can open your inventory with B, and space to activate quick time events during battle. And basically, this is all the information that you get. Keep in mind that I'm not going to go too in-depth about what to do and how to get going, but as soon as you load in, you will be able to walk around and start getting quests. What I recommend is that you look for some sort of slime cleaning quest. As you can see, there are some slime quests here that you will be able to grab. So I'm going to cancel the current request that I have. And for you to get started, go ahead and grab any of these. So for example, slime cleaning or slime investigation. Once you get any of these, just walk outside of the city and you will be able to encounter monsters that you can fight. By completing these objectives, you will get soul essences that you can use to level up your skills, and also you will get gold from completing these quests for the guilds. And as long as you level up, you acquire more gold, you will be able to exchange it for weapons, accessories, and equip them on your character. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm going to keep it short. I'm not going to go over too much detail about everything that you can do, but I recommend that you look for guides on your own if you are curious to learn more. But by walking around the overworld here outside of the city, you will eventually encounter slimes that you can fight on turn-based combat. So keep walking and you will eventually get into battle. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arcane Lineage on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.